Hello children, I hope you all are doing good, and today we can study more about conjunctions. Conjunctions are the glue in a sentence. That means conjunctions are used to connect two sentences into one long sentence. Conjunctions are used to connect two sentences into one long sentence. In this video, I am going to explain the usage of and, or, so, but and because. We can look at each one in detail, and first one is and, usage of and. And is used to add items to a list. Look at this example. She bought apples and bananas. So in order to connect these two, and is used. So more items can be added by using the conjunction and. She bought apples and bananas. Next one, or. Or is used to talk about options. If there are options before us, we can use or. Look at this example. You can have the blue pen or the red pen. There's a choice. There's an option, isn't it? Between this blue pen and red pen. So either you can choose blue or red. There's an option. So that's why we used or here. Or is used to talk about options. Next one, but. But is used to show contrast. While we say about something different, or while we say about some certain facts which are entirely different from the fact which we already said. In all those cases, we can use but. Look at this example to understand it better. I speak French, but I have never been to France. I speak French, but I have never been to France. It's a contrasting thing that I can speak French, but I have never been to France. So, but is used to show contrast. Now the next one, so. So gives the result of something. So gives the result of something. Look at this example. Peter didn't study. And what's the result? So he failed his exams. Peter didn't study. So he failed his exams. So the word so, the conjunction so is used to give out the result of an action. Okay. So what's the action here? Peter didn't study. And what's the result? He failed his exams. It is being connected by using the conjunction so. Next one, because. Because gives the reason for something. Because gives the reason for something. Look at this example. I got wet because I didn't take an umbrella. I got wet. What's the reason? I didn't take an umbrella. Okay, so because is used to give the reason for something, but so is used to give the result of something. Look at this example. It was raining, so I took an umbrella. It was raining. That's a cause for the effect of taking an umbrella. It was raining and I took an umbrella. So the word conjunction so is used to connect the cause and effect. It was raining, so I took an umbrella. Next sentence, I will read a book, I will write a story. How can we combine these two sentences as one? I will read a book and write a story. We are adding some more things to the interest of this girl, isn't it? So I will read a book and write a story, and is used in this case. Look at this one. I got up late, I missed my bus. I got up late, so I missed my bus. We can say the same sentence in another way too. I missed my bus because I got up late. Here are some more examples before you. I play tennis and I swim. So, certain things are being listed out here, isn't it? What are the things I do? A certain list is being given. That means two things only are given. That's why we used and, the conjunction and, to connect it. I play tennis and I swim. Look at next one. You can go to the cinema or you can visit your aunt. Here two options are there. Either you can go to the cinema or you can visit your aunt. That's what we said. If there are options before us, we can use or as the conjunction. You can go to the cinema or you can visit your aunt. Third one, Anna loves oranges but she hates pears. Contrasting things, isn't it? In one case, she loves something. Next, we said about what she hates. It's a contrasting, it's an entirely different thing, isn't it? So that's why we used but in between. Okay, but is a conjunction we used here because these are two contrasting things, two entirely different or opposite things. One thing we said that she loves what she loves, and nextly we said about what she hates. Okay, by using the conjunction but we connected the two things. Anna loves oranges but she hates pears. Look at the next sentence. It was raining, so I took an umbrella. So what's the reason for taking an umbrella? It was raining. Okay. So what's the after effect of raining? I should have to take an umbrella. So what's the usage of so? It's used to give out the result of something. Okay. So as a result of raining, I took an umbrella. It was raining, so I took an umbrella. The same sentence can be said in another way too. We already taught I took an umbrella because it was raining. That's also correct. Okay, I took an umbrella because it was raining. Though we are saying the reason for taking an umbrella. Okay. Now the last sentence. Peter is crying because he failed his exams. Peter is crying because he has failed his exams. What's the reason for Peter's crying? Peter is crying and the result, what's the reason? He has failed his exams. While we say about the reason, we can use the conjunction because. And now look at this point. This also should be remembered. We usually place a comma before or, but and so. Okay, a comma can be given before or, but and so. Then with a long list, we use commas and we put and before the last item. If there are a number of items, we can separate those items with commas, and before the last item, we can use and. Look at this example, you will understand it better. He studies maths, science, French and drama. This is a list of items, isn't it? Maths, comma, science, comma, French, and the last item is drama, isn't it? Before that, we used and. Now look at the next point. We can put because at the beginning of a sentence. Usually, we give connectors in between the words in a sentence, but we can use a connector as a starting of the sentence also. Okay, we can put because at the beginning of a sentence also. Look at this example. Because I don't like cycling, I won't buy a bicycle. We can write the same sentence in another way too. I won't buy a bicycle because I don't like cycling. But we can start a sentence with a conjunction like this. Because I don't like cycling, I won't buy a bicycle. So in this way also we can use a conjunction. So what are the points we said now? We usually place a comma before or, but and so. And the next point is with a long list we use commas and we put and before the last item. Now the third point, we can put because at the beginning of a sentence. It's not compulsory to use because at the starting or the beginning of a sentence itself, but it can also be done. Okay, we can use because in the middle of a sentence. At the same time, we can use because at the starting of a sentence also. So what's the example given? Because I don't like cycling, I won't buy a bicycle. We can say the same sentence in another way too. How can it be? I won't buy a bicycle because I don't like cycling. That's also correct. Now, we can move to some more examples. Look at this. On Saturdays, we usually visit the zoo, and on Sundays, we go to the park. Okay, so we added some more things to the list. That's why we used the connecting word or the conjunction and here. Then look at the next one. I bought a shirt, some shoes, and a jacket. Here, a list of items are given. So after each item, a comma is given, and before the last item, we added and. The conjunction and is used before the last item. Look at the next one. We can have a holiday or we can save our money. Here, two options are given, isn't it? Have a holiday or save our money. Two options. That's why we used the conjunction or. We can have a holiday or we can save our money. Next one. Can we have a picnic or is the weather too bad? Here also two options. We used the conjunction or. I would like to go, but I don't have any money. Two contrasting things here. Okay, two contrasting, two opposite things are given. I like to do something, but this is my condition. So two contrasting things are given. That's why we used but. I would like to go, but I don't have money. Next one. Tom ran, but he missed the bus. Tom ran, but he missed the bus. Here also two contrasting things, two different things are given. Look at the next one. I was unhappy, so I ate some chocolate. Here the result of that unhappiness is given. What's the result of being unhappy here? Ate some chocolate. Okay, so I was unhappy, so I ate some chocolate. Next one. I forgot the sun cream, so I got burnt. The result of forgetting sun cream is got burnt. Okay, so the result of some action is been given by using the word conjunction so. Okay, I forgot the sun cream, so I got burnt. The reason is given. Look at the next example. I got into university because I studied hard. The result. Okay, I got into university because I studied hard. I studied hard. So that's why I got into university. I won't buy a bicycle because I don't like crying. Sometimes I may be falling down from the bicycle. I fear such a thing. So that's what the reason for not buying the bicycle is given. I won't buy a bicycle. I won't buy a bicycle because the reason is I don't like cycling. Let's move to an exercise part. And here it is. Complete the sentences with the correct conjunction. Complete the sentences using and, or, so, but, because. Okay? Can we do it now? Yes. While my father was in Agra, he decided to visit the Taj Mahal dash the Agra fort. So, here some list of things are given. My father decided to visit some list of places are given. Okay, two names are given. So, what is to be done? What's the conjunction we should use here? And. Okay, because the list of items are given. Taj Mahal, the Taj Mahal and the Agra fort. The correct answer is and. Next one. I wasn't invited to the party. Dash I didn't mind. I wasn't invited to the party. Dash I didn't mind. Two contrasting things. Okay. So what is to be done? We should use a conjunction but. Next one. Dash she was tired. She went to bed early. Answer. Because she was tired, she went to bed early. What's the reason? She went to bed early. What's the reason for going to bed early? She was tired. The reason is been given. That's why we used the conjunction because. Because she was tired, she went to bed early. And we told that we can use a conjunction because in the starting of a sentence or in the beginning of a sentence. Okay. Now next one. Would you like to go to a restaurant? Dash, shall I make something? So here a choice is given, options are given. So while this kind of options are given before us, we can use the conjunction or. We studied it, isn't it? So the correct answer is or. And how the sentence becomes, would you like to go to a restaurant or shall I make something? We can move to the next question. I finished the report late. Dash, my computer broke while I was writing it. What's the answer? Because. What's the reason? I finished the report late. Here, the reason for finishing the report late is given. What's the reason? My computer broke while I was writing it. So, as the reason is given, we can use the conjunction because. Okay. So, that's all for today. And before completing, I'm giving you 5 more questions. Please try to find answer for these 5 questions too. Okay. Here are the questions. I'm very good at sport. Dash, I'm terrible at maths. 2 contrasting things. The movie was bad. Dash, I left the cinema. So the result of an action is given. At university, he studied physics dash chemistry. List of things. Then 4th question. Mike can't drive, so he can take the train dash he can take the bus. Here a choice is given for him. He can take the train, he can take the bus. How can we connect these two? Then the last question. Shelley didn't buy the car dash she didn't have enough money. So the reason for not buying the car is given. The reason is given. What can be the answer? So answer these 5 questions and send me. Okay. And not only that, please write the complete content or the complete points which have been discussed in this video to your notebook along with these 5 questions. So it's time to wind up. And if you have any doubts, feel free to contact me at any time. Okay. See you in the next class with another topic. Until then, take care. Thank you.